Hello students, we are going to do page number 86 and 87. So look at page number 86, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In this page we'll see how well you know about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So the first is, what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? It is Port Blair. How many islands constitute the island groups, the Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands respectively? It is more than 319. On how many islands in the Andaman and Nicobar territory do people reside permanently? It is less than 100. What kind of climate do the Andaman and Nicobar Islands have? They have tropical. Roughly, how many of the Andaman Islands are populated? It is about 24. What is the occupation of most of the residents of the Andaman Islands? They have agriculture as their occupation. What is the literacy rate of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands when compared to the rest of the country? It is higher. How did the British view the Andaman and Nicobar Islands during their rule? They viewed as a penal colony. In which year a powerful tsunami triggered by an earthquake devastated the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, killing thousands of people? It was in the year 2004. Now look at page number 87, that is famous Indian authors. Here children, you all have to match the authors with the books. First is Salman Rushdie. He has written the book that is Midnight's Children. Next, Vikram Seth. He has written a book named as A Suitable Boy. Next is Jhumpa Lahiri. The name of his book is The Namesake. V.S. Naipaul. The name of the book is A House for Mr. Biswas. Kiran Desai. The name of his book is The Inheritance of Loss. Ruskin Bond. The Adventures of Rusty. Now students, you have to answer the questions. Who is the author of The Man-Eater of Malgudi? The author is R.K. Narayan. For which book did Arundhati Roy win the Booker Prize? The name of the book is The God of Small Things. Name the Indian author who became famous for his novels Coolie and Untouchable. So the name of the author is Mulk Raj Anand. Which Indian author's book Sea of Poppies was shortlisted for the 2008 Man Booker Prize? It was Amitav Ghosh. Name the Indian author who was shortlisted for the Booker Prize on 3 occasions. Her daughter won the Man Booker Prize in 2006. So the Indian author was Anita Desai. Now you all have to identify the famous Indian authors. The first one is Munshi Premchand. Next is Sarojini Naidu. And third is Sarat Chandra Chatterjee. And the last is Vijay Tendulkar. Now look at page number 88. That is the Sari story. Here children, you all have to match the saris with the places of their origin in India. So the first is Kota. The place of origin is Rajasthan. Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Paithani, it is Maharashtra. Tassar, It is its origin is Bihar. Next, Dhanyakli, its origin is West Bengal. Ekat, it is Odisha. Muga silk, Assam. Chanderi, it is Madhya Pradesh. Kosa silk, it is Chhattisgarh. Patola, that is Gujarat. Pochampali, it is Telangana. Tanchui, it is Uttar Pradesh. Aikal, it is Karnataka. Now students, we will do page number 89, that is rivers and lakes that can kill. Sometimes students, life-giving freshwater bodies like rivers, lakes, they can turn deadly. The reason could be either misuse or sometimes natural causes. So here we will study about some of the most dangerous rivers and lakes in the world. First, which lake in Sicily has high concentration of sulfuric acid and is very dangerous to humans and animals? The water of this lake dissolves all organic matter in a matter of minutes. So the lake is Lake of Death. Next, the water of which river originating in Huelva in Spain is acidic in nature and blood red in color due to the high concentration of metal residues in it. The name of the river is Rio Tinto River. This is the principal waterway in China and the third longest river in the world. It has been polluted with human and industrial waste over the years. It absorbs several billion tons of sewage and industrial waste every year. Which river are we talking about? It is Yangtze River. Which lake situated in the Desolation Valley of the Caribbean island Dominica has water with temperature up to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius? It is Boiling Lake. Which river originating in the Himalayas and flowing through Assam and Bangladesh has the tendency to flood during the monsoon months and cause devastation in surrounding towns and villages? It is Brahmaputra River.